Okay, I decided to take the first video with the Omnia II of my road on my property. After a couple days of rain, it's drained off pretty good. I'm getting a little bit of indentations where the water sits. Also, off on the side of the road, you can see there's a natural drainage down the side. I helped make by using a hoe, and then we get to this giant puddle here on the in the middle, and it even goes on further and further. A lot more water. A lot of water over here on the sides. It's flooded, that has no place to go because the road is higher. Temperature is falling. I think we're expecting more rain tonight. You can see over here on this side of the road how flooded it is back in here. All the way back there. And then on this side of the road, we haven't had any rain, I think, all day. This water is just going to sit here for weeks waiting to evaporate, whatever doesn't drain off. You can see there's a little bit of drainage from across the road. All that water over there running off. That's it.